Ayo, your boy Creepy J Creep, Big Step, I know Davis, get out with your ass, 3 season a day, I'm binge watching, I'm crep walking, and I'm double cupping my niggas when I feel like it. So as you know, I had this ongoing project called Hiccups. So I'll be dropping it like tomorrow. I'll be dropping it tomorrow by my 12 p.m. after 12 p.m. then the afternoon somewhere. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of it. Just the last part and the last chorus at the end, then voila, what's it ba? It's natin net. Got the shorty psyching on mine. Now she got hiccups. Got your girl psyching on mine. Now she got hiccups. Got your bestie psyching on mine. Now she got hiccups. Got your girl psyching on mine. Now she got hiccups. She like, let's go smash. I like, wait. She like, got your place. I'm like, hell nah. She like, wait, I'm a book at B&B. I like, that's cool. Then she said she gon' pull up with home girl. I was like, sure, I can handle you both. I can handle you both. So I got both sucking on my. Thought I got hiccups while I was double cupping. I even got paid after the hit. I even met a new one in 4 years. See that I held the 5 yeah, ended up on my 4-5, which I got a sucking on my. After the hiccups, sucking on my, sucking on my, sucking on my hiccups, 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 hiccups. That's fucking it. So vele, just la lela. Tomorrow won't disappoint. I hope it does, but it's your boy QJ Creep, Big Step, I know David. This girl I will be. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Hiccups, 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 hiccups.